Hey all, today we're taking a look at a platform called FlexClip.com. I want to explore its features first, and based on what I find, we can do a deeper video on 2 or 3 of the best ones. Let me log in. Inside, you've got sections for creating videos, long to short, PPT to video, screen recording, AI avatar, AI text to speech, and more. They're offering over 1,000 templates for quick, professional video creation, plus a full video editor. If you click into the toolkit, you get the classic video generation and editing tools, along with a photo editor that can take you from image to video. In this one, we're trying out FlexClip's logo animation. I've got my TechGyro logo ready, and the plan is simple. Drop it in, wrap it in a cinematic reveal, and see how good the output actually looks. From the dashboard, I'll head into the logo animation tool and upload my logo file. FlexClip takes that flat logo and gets it ready to animate. No design skills needed on my end. Here's the first style, my logo sitting inside a wall of glowing embers. The animation builds the whole scene around the logo, so it feels like a proper intro rather than a static image. Let me try a more dramatic one. This time the logo punches in over a fire explosion. Same logo, completely different mood, and that's really the point. You can match the reveal to whatever your channel's vibe is. Once I'm happy with it, exporting is straightforward. I pick the resolution, 480p, 720p, or 1080p, set the quality, and hit export. A few seconds later, I've got a share link, social buttons, and a direct download. Now here's the feature I really wanted to show you, AI Recreate. Instead of picking a template, I just upload my logo and let FlexClip generate a video in the same style automatically. It takes a moment to process. You can actually watch it making the cuts, and then it hands back a finished animated reveal. For anyone who doesn't want to touch a timeline, this is the fastest path there is. And if you'd rather browse, there's a whole library of AI logo animation templates. This gold coin reveal, mechanical gear builds, light streaks, all of it. You just swap your own logo in and you're done. So that's logo animation on FlexClip, quick, surprisingly cinematic, and genuinely usable for a channel intro. And honestly, I wasn't expecting that level of polish from just a few clicks. But a logo animation is only the opening frame. So what if you could build the whole video the same way? That's exactly what FlexClip's AI video script tool does. Let's try it. It starts with just a prompt box. I'll ask it to generate a trending YouTube news post. Let's do something on today's Wall Street market news, and hit generate. Within seconds, it writes a full script for me, broken down scene by scene. Each scene comes with a visual direction and a narrator line. So it's not just text, it's an actual production plan. Scrolling through, you can see it covers global markets, investor sentiment, the notable movers, closing insights, and even a call to action and an outro at the end. Honestly, the structure is solid. Now here's the interesting part. I take that script straight into AI text to full video. This is where FlexClip turns those written scenes into actual footage. Before generating, I get real control. For the media, I can choose AI-generated images or pull from the stock library. For the voice, I'll pick a newscast style. This is Jenny, in English, which fits a news format perfectly. I can also style the subtitles right here. Choose a caption look so the on-screen text matches the tone. Then I hit generate and let it build the whole thing. And here's the result, a full Wall Street update news segment. Animated scenes, a stock ticker reading the Dow up 150 points, voiceover, and burned-in captions, all from that one prompt. What used to take a script, a voice actor, and an editor, FlexClip pulls together in a couple of minutes. It's not flawless, but for fast, news-style content it is seriously impressive. If you want to try this for yourself, the link's in the description. Click that link first. Quick disclosure. This video is sponsored by FlexClip, but everything I showed is me genuinely testing the tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.